What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video today. We're going to be looking at some fireworks because it's around July 4th, and I thought you guys would like fireworks, so yeah, let's get started. Upper Marion Township official website, 4th of July celebration. That is very colorful and beautiful. Wow. That's nice. That is pretty nice, actually. Ooh. That's just normal. Now this is nice. Whoa. Look at that. So cool looking. Nice. So that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That's like Thunder colors. You know the basketball team? Thunder? Names and functions of chemical elements and fireworks. Do not know anything about that, and probably don't want to. Fireworks on a boat? Sweet, man. Interpretation of a dream in which you saw? Okay. July 2017, fireworks near me. Okay. America. God bless America. America! Hell yeah! July 4th fireworks spectacular. Spectacular. It's fantastic. Best hotels for watching 4th of July fireworks. Sweet. Jesus. Whoa. That is nice. That is pretty nice. That is very nice. Sweet Jesus, that is very colorful. America, hell yeah. Holy black sacks. See fireworks across North Carolina skies this summer. Sweet Jesus, that's amazing. Wait, Ohio fireworks? Ohio. Look at these fireworks. Yes. So delicious. Not delicious, but you know what I mean. Lakes I don't know how. Association. I don't know. Whoa. Is this nice? Beautiful. Nice. 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 Whoa, that's a video. Look at that video. That is nice. Dang. Does this one move too? That would be cool if it did. Look at these gold ones. Popping and locking. Looking for some shotgun popping. America! Heck yeah! Okay, let's watch it just for a little bit. I want to see if you guys can see this. I'm gonna test it out. Just for a little bit though.
That's the first one. The next one is 5-inch shell gold wave.
Hopefully you guys saw that. I don't know. I just want to see that pop. Okay, cool. Well guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Shout out to Ray's Mobs. I'll show you how you spell it in the comments. And yeah, thank you for 60 subscribers, by the way. It means a lot to me, guys. Love ya and peace.